Chrome keyboard shortcut to close other tabs. In Chrome, we can close all the tabs in a window while keeping a selected one open. Is there a keyboard shortcut to close other tabs?
I wrote this extension so that we can assign shortcuts for closing tabs to the right or left, other tabs to pin and unpin tab. Let me know if you can use it. Update. It's temporarily off from Chrome Store and I'm working to get it back. Meanwhile, you can install it from here. This URL. Update the 10th of June 2019. Still works with Chrome 75.
There is no keyboard shortcut I know of, and after checking Google forums, neither does anyone else. You could use the extension Close Inactive Tabs instead. This adds a button which closes all other tabs except the active one.
The shortcut key to close all other tabs is Ctrl-Alt. If you install amazing tab shortcuts, freely available in the Chrome Web Store. I use it frequently for scripts, which I suspect is your use.
Here is an extension that assigns a keyboard shortcut to close other tabs. Works great on my Mac with Chrome Stable Channel.
None of them work. The easiest way is to right-click on the tab that you want to keep open and then click Close Other Tabs. The shortcut to close all tabs is Ctrl+Shift+W. To open a new tab is Ctrl+T, and to close the tab you are on is Ctrl+W. Also, if you close a tab by mistake and want to reopen it to the same page it was on, use Ctrl+Shift+T. Experiment with the rest like Ctrl+Shift+E, etc.
If you want to support this